Hi everybody, I am Gautam from MZEEL Day Trader. So today let's see, we have updated 6 stocks in our watch list which have been updated in a shorts video earlier in today morning. So let's see what has happened in the volume profile levels and how it has performed and what are the trades we have taken in our levels. Okay, so we have updated 6 stocks today along with the Nifty chart. So first of all, the Nifty, we are seeing the Nifty chart. So yesterday market gap down, so today market opened gap up. I'm going to mark the range which we have been marking for from the last week. So this is the POC level. So market opened gap up today and market came inside this level. So we have to wait for the trade. So today we didn't get any trade in the Nifty. Okay, so if the market opened tomorrow gap down or gap up, this will be a support and resistance zone for the upcoming session, and it has been a support and resistance for almost 6 to 7 days. Okay, so the first stock is Glenmark. So I'm going to mark the profile for the range. Okay, you can clearly see the market open inside the value area and nearer to the POC. So first of all, remember this: whenever the market opening inside the value area and especially when the market opening nearer to the POC, we should wait for the trade. We should not take any trade in these kinds of stocks because most of the time the stocks might go into a circulation or a rotation. You might say that is a consolidation range or a sideways range. So you can clearly see this is the value area high and this is the POC. The market traded inside this range and went outside. So if the market again retrace back to the POC, we will be having a good trade in this stock. Okay, so Glenmark, we didn't take any trade in this stock. So the next stock is Tata Steel. So I'm going to mark the profile for yesterday's range. So you can see the market open above the POC, and I am going to mark the POC level and the value area low which is just below the POC. So you can see the market got rejected at this place. We have taken trade around 113736. So we have booked almost 1 to 1.5% in this stock. So you see today as the Nifty is in a sideways motion, so which means it is gap up and it is in a sideways, which will always happen in, we can say, once in a week or twice or thrice in a month. So the Nifty will will always be in a sideways motion in 2 or 3 days in a month. Okay, so in these kinds of days the stocks will also be in a sideways motion only. Some of the rare case scenario the stocks will perform well, but most of the time the stocks will be in a what we can say, the range will be almost 2% from the stock price. Okay, so we have booked 1% in this stock. We have taken trade 1137 to 1150. Okay, so the next stock is BPCL. Sorry. So you can see the market open inside this range and it didn't retrace back to the POC. We have been waiting for the market to hit the POC, but it didn't came. So if the market came to this POC, we will be having a trade in the stock. Okay, so the next stock is Star. So I am marking the volume profile for yesterday's trade. So you can see the market open below the value area. I am going to mark the POC alone to show it very clear. So you can see the market open below the POC, and in the first initial balance or first 30 minutes the market broke the POC and it has been traded inside this POC range. So when the market went above this value area high and got inside again to the POC. We have taken trade around 346 to 347 and we booked almost 1 to 1.5% in the stock. Okay, so always maintain the stop loss in these kinds of trade or every trade because it might reverse very quickly. So I will show you some examples. So the next stock is ZEEL. So I'm going to mark the profile for yesterday's range and you can see the market opened inside the value area. So this is the value area high, open inside the value area and this is the POC. So the market came to the POC but we have to wait for the confirmation. So it didn't retrace back again. So we have to wait. If the market opens above this level around 250 or 245 tomorrow, whenever the market comes to this level, we will be having a good trade. Okay. So the last stock is MCX. So I'm going to mark the profile. So you can see the market opened just inside the value area. We can consider it above the POC, but when the market retraced back to the POC, so the market made a consolidation near the POC and not rejected from the POC. We took a long trade here and we booked a loss in this trade. Okay, so always maintain stop loss at the point of entry. The stop loss is 10 to 11 points. So we maintain 10 point stop loss. So this stock we booked a loss in this stock. Okay, so this stock is stop loss. So always practice these kinds of days because these kinds of days there won't be good what we can say the large momentum in the stocks or in a Nifty. So we have to practice every day and we should know what is going to happen. So the patterns will be stored. Okay. So one of the stocks from the day before yesterday's watch list, that is Gland Pharma. So you can see in the Gland Pharma, I'm going to mark this day's volume profile. So we said whenever the market comes to this range, we have to take a short trade, and the market came to this level at the very end of the very end of the day, and the next day the market broke this resistance level, and it has become a support range. So today the market opened here and went out. So we have to take this stock along. Whenever the stock didn't get a trade today, it might get a trade in the upcoming sessions as well. Okay, so practice every day, always maintain a stop loss and always be clear whenever entering into the trade. Don't be in a confusion. Okay, so to reduce your confusion you have to practice the volume profile. You have to practice by putting small quantities trade. Okay, we will be there to service you at every time. So thank you for watching this video and kindly subscribe to our channel and thank you.